Bought this bald ass front tire, or slightly bald ass front tire, with this rear fucking tire here. At least we got some better tread on the front. Although this one's not the greatest, but
same do with the inside.
This one's got way more tread though than that one does.
The inside does.
Inside's the same. Inside's the same. We're at the lines on the inside too. But this has still got more than the front tire does. Okay. And so for this, we're gonna be using this Milwaukee's big dick fucking impact gun. Okay, so you hold the camera, just remember to keep the decals out of the view. That's why I aimed at the ground when I walked to the front. That's an 8-ton tow truck. And these things always go on hard as shit. So he's doing it like they're nothing. "19.5-inch wheels. They got cheap. They put a steel rim from the inside. No decals. Oh, and mind you, I'm doing this. The battery only has 2 bars of charge. Battery's not even fully charged. We can put these on tight as shit with a pneumatic impact gun. This thing's taking them off like they're butter. This is F450. It's 10,160 pound truck or something like that. I have to repolish the rims again. Well, shit happens. So, see here, lined up. 10 big ass lug nuts. Gotta be careful because I almost scratched the. Go. Get them all started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Hello.
7.
What's up?
8, 9, 10.
That's a negative. That's not, we don't have any trucks available, sorry.
That's the front tire. do the back. This should be a little easier because you got the hub to help you hold it. There we go.
Looks like shit.
There's some fun there. Oh yeah, look at all the dust.
Sorry, a little bit of degreaser and some spray water hose.
A little bit of degreaser, a water hose, and a little bit of polishing compound. This tire will be just like new. Alright. A long ass video, but here we go. I gotta hold this one, so. Ho ho, look at that! That gun's got so much force. It had just straight off the socket. Oh. Well, we're gonna have to find a different method of putting these on, but Jesus Christ. This gun's got so much torque that it literally just broke the socket.
No fucking way.
Yep.
Do you have a 19?
I don't know if I have another one somewhere. I have to find one. Anyway, I guess that's it. But yeah, we'll get these back on with the same gun. It's a 21. You got a 21? That's an impact socket too. Wow, look at that thing. Just shattered it. Look at that. Just shattered it clean through. That's how much torque this gun has. And this is a, that socket's been used a little bit. It's some cheap brand, but it's a 21 Titan Tools. Piece of shit. Chinese socket, but yeah, look at that thing. That just straight took that thing down. Wow. You can see right there the middle had filled. Focus. Focus. There we go. Yep. Wow. Okay, well, I guess that ends it for now. But we're gonna get the rest of these on. This gun is freaking awesome. It's a little pricey bastard though. What's going on here? Focus, damn it. So it's the Milwaukee. You got me a new socket? Let's see what model that is. No, it's a 21. It's going to be like a 13/16. 2767-20. This is the heavy duty impact gun. I think they're rated for like 1,400 pounds of brake force. It's got a little mode selector on the bottom. It's in mode 3 right now. I've got it in the heaviest mode. And let's see what our battery looks like. Battery still got 2 bars after cranking in the front tire. Oh, we're gonna try to find another socket, but that's it for this gun. That's my opinion. I mean, I just bought the thing, so as far as power goes, that's what I'm attesting to at this point. That's my opinion. This thing's pretty powerful. Now, if it will last, that's going to be the $1,000,000 question of the day. You know, if it lasts, then, you know, hey. But we'll do a checkup on this in about a year and see how it goes.